Okay, what's up, guys? I done a video not how to, but restoring this truck, my dad's, and it wouldn't let me upload it, so here I am trying to make another one, but I can't do the restoring part, and so, I'm just going to be showing you how good it can do in crawling and mudding. As you can see right now, it does good in mud, but you'll see about crawling. So once I get on the map, I will be showing you how good it does. Okay, so I am back, and here it is. We're gonna head out. Darn, pretty loud. Turn that down. We're gonna be heading out, seeing if it is good or not. I believe that is water. Yeah, that's water. If comment below if you think I should make a three-wheeler that would fly through the mud and stuff. Because I will do that. By the way, I will. Yeah. So we're gonna be getting into the truck and seeing. I really do like it though. Yeah, but like I was saying, it does. I did make a other video, but it wouldn't let me upload it because it said that it took too long and stuff, and verify your account and stuff, and I didn't feel like doing that, so here I am trying to make a shorter video. Where should we go? I guess we can pull in here. Darn it. So as you can see, it does really good in snow. We're gonna launch into the drone, see if we can't find no mud. I really hope we find some mud. So I really want to show y'all. There's a little monster jam. A little pond with a boat. I would post that video, but I mean, it just said it, so I didn't feel like messing with it. So here I am trying to make a shorter video, like I said. Oh, graveyard. We will be coming over here to test out. Ooh, there is some mud, so we will have to come over here. We will be coming over here, so let's hop back in the video. The truck. Let's just repair this real quick. Okay, so now let's go down through there. Dang. I do wish I could post that other video, but it just wouldn't let me. So I will try to do another video with this truck for y'all. Not something like this, but like a RP map or something. And so yeah, I will be doing that. this thing's no problem crawling. Literally. Stuff that comes to like that. It does come to a problem. But otherwise, this thing's a beast. Literally. And that's why I like it too. I mean, all I have to do probably is jack it up more. Because nowadays people like having actual challenges, but like these older trucks, they don't really like it that much because they're made to not be as that high. But these newer trucks, people like to actually challenge them. And that's what I don't like, because I actually like taking my trucks through nice, good stuff. Like that right there. That was good. That little rock. See, like stuff like that big rock right there? I can't do that because it's an older truck. Now, if I had like a GMC, like this was a GMC, then yeah, we'd do a lot better because it's a newer model truck. Now, where in the tarnation are we? I want to get to the literally right next to it. So we're gonna come right on over there. Repair my truck. Yeah, see, stuff like, hold up, stuff like that. I can't, see, that's why this older model truck doesn't like it. See, here's some mud. This mud's deeper than what I took it through in that video. So this is gonna be a challenge. See, it only goes 2 miles per hour, but in that mud that I took it through in that video, it's going 8 miles per hour. That tells you that this mud is deep. See, right there? That tells you that this mud is deep. Yeah, whoever created this map, this truck does not like it. See, right there, we basically went through a waterfall. So that will be the end of this video. Oh, and right before I do give up on this video, I'm giving a shout out to Dane Wilkie because he is my first subscriber. And if you want me to shout out to your little brother or something, put it in the chats, and I will shout out to them. Alright, and maybe I'll even do maps with them and stuff. So that'll be the end of this video.